Hey friends, in this video we're going to be testing the battery backup that I unboxed in a previous video. If you want to see that, go ahead and check it out. But in this video we're going to be testing the battery backup right there, and we're going to be seeing how long it lasts and how well it works. Okay, so on the front of it we've got three buttons. We've got the display, we've got silence, alarm, and then control. So we're going to hit display and see what numbers we've got. So right now it says it's got a full battery. It's got almost no load going to it, and right now it's outputting 121 watts. So right now I've got connected to it my server, my 50 port switch, my airport router, my cable modem, and that's it. So this is the backbone for the network and internet inside my house. So while we're doing this test, I'm going to go be using the internet on my computer and doing other stuff inside my house to see if it drops and how well things work. So we'll hit display. So it says the battery is 100%. Estimated runtime is 47 minutes. So that's going to be what we're going to be going for. We're testing to see if it actually comes close to that. Alright, so I'm sorry if it's not the clearest picture of all, and I haven't tested this before. I don't know if it's going to happen. I don't know if I have it all hooked up right. With all the stuff that I've got hooked up to it, I've made sure that they're all hooked up to the battery backup unit and not the surge protector part of my battery backup. So let's see what happens when I pull the power. Here it goes. Here it goes. Well, it's running, and it's getting mad. So let's go back to the battery backup and zoom in on it so you guys can see what it's saying. Well, it's immediately dropped down from the 46 minutes that it said and saying maybe 30 minutes. So we'll see what happens. Let's give it time and watch what it does. Well, it's only been about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes, and it's already fallen from 36 minutes down to 17 minutes. Alright, so we just saw it almost die at a minute, but it sent a command to my server, which I'm sure you didn't hear it, but I heard it turn off. So my server shut down safely, and now we've got another 4 minutes to go. Okay, it's about to die. It's gonna do it. Die! Die! Boom. Alright, so the exciting end result was the battery backup lasted a lot longer than I thought it was. It wasn't the 40 or 48 minutes that it was quoting when we first looked at it, but it ended up being about 35 minutes, somewhere around there. Once I was timing everything out. Depends on how you want to look at it, because had my server stayed on the entire time, it would have been 30 minutes, but my server communicates with my battery backup units, so when it gets to a certain point, it knows to shut itself down so it can shut down cleanly and I don't risk any data or anything like that. And it did exactly that. And once it did that, there was still another 4 or 5 minutes afterwards. So all in all, I'm really, really impressed with it. I got it for 130 bucks, and all the other battery backups that I was looking at for 130 bucks was an emulated sine wave, meaning it was trying to do what, or it's what's done with a cheaper power supply. Basically, they're emulating how a regular power current looks, but this battery backup's got higher end technology in it, even though it's the same price, where it's giving it a true sine wave. So it's like my battery backup, or not my battery backup, but my server is plugged right into a regular outlet. So there's no issues with power, and more electronics are going to be more compatible with it. And overall, I'm really, really happy with it. It's a great buy. It's a great battery backup, and so far I give it 2 thumbs up. If you can find one on a great deal like I did for 125, I think normally it's 150, but either way, I'd recommend buying it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a like. And if you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and smash that subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.